Okay, so for Shoulda and Cowboy in key of G, which is the original performed key, we're going to start with a root position G chord. And really you could go either. G is kind of a weird key.
Okay.
So you could do this octave, but I probably would do this octave.
That's pretty, yeah.
And so you're going to play G, B, D, all white keys, and we're going to use fingers 1, 3, and 5, like this. And then for the D chord that comes next, we're going to use a first inversion D chord. And you can think of the I love you hands.
Yeah, okay.
That's the right hand position for a first inversion chord always. So 1 on F sharp, 2 on A, 5 on D, like this. So to get from G to D, it's like this. So the pinky stays the same. The third finger that you use for the G chord just lifts up. The second finger just goes down. And then the thumb will have to move. So the thumb is the only thing that has to move. Because the 2 is already over the correct key.
Okay.
And the D is a common tone between the two chords.
Yes.
And then the third chord we need is a second inversion G chord. This time the common tone is going to be the G with the thumb.
Okay.
And these two fingers, same position as same fingers as we use for the root position chord, are going to have to both move up one white key. So they're going to go from here to here.
Okay.
And the thumb just stays on G.
Oh, I love it.
So it's really easy to,
Yeah.
very smooth voice leading. So then you just repeat this pattern, G, D, C, D, G, over and over again. So you go D, C, D,
Yes.
G,
So cute.
C, D, G.
Okay.
Over and over again.
Yeah.
And then for left hand, you put your left hand in G position, which is 5 on G, 1 on D, and then the other fingers just each go on one white key between. And so for the G chord, we play 5 on G. For the D chord, we play 1 on D. And for the C chord, we're going to play 2 on C. And then we're just going to alternate left, right, like this.
So whatever you play first on left hand is what you're going to follow with on this hand.
Correct.
Every time.
So
Okay.
you're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right. So whatever the G chord label says here,
Yes.
I'm going to play that first. Left hand always goes first.
Right.
And
Okay.
then match it with whatever G chord says on the paper for right hand.
Right. Okay.
And left.
Next.
Left.
Okay.
And we can add the foot just up, down really quick for each chord. Like that.
Yeah.
So, any questions about that?
No, you make it look so easy. I love it.
Thank you.